Have you ever wondered why your coffee stays hot or why the sky turns blue? Science isn't just in a laboratory, it is everywhere. Hello everyone, welcome to Extra English TV. XET, science is the secret language of the world around us. My name is Shayu, and I'm your instructor, your coach, and your guide to mastering real American English. Today, we are exploring science and everyday English. We will learn how scientific words describe our daily activities. Let's start in the kitchen and the streets. Our first word is evaporation, spelled evaporation. Evaporation happens when heat causes a liquid to turn into a gas or vapor. Think of the steam from your tea. For example, the sun causes the evaporation of water from your wet clothes so they become dry. Repeat after me, evaporation. Next is the opposite, condensation, spelled condensation. This is very common on cold drinks. Condensation is the process where water vapor, which is a gas, cools down and becomes liquid water again. Example, there is a lot of condensation on the window because it is cold outside. Practice it, condensation. Now let's step outside. Why do things fall down? The answer is gravity, Gravity. It's a fundamental force. Gravity is the invisible force that pulls all objects toward each other. On Earth, it pulls us down to the ground. Example, if you drop your keys, gravity will make them fall to the floor. It keeps us from floating away. Say it, gravity. When you walk or drive, you use friction, spelled Friction. This is essential for movement and safety. Friction is a force that slows down moving objects. It happens when two things rub together, like your shoes on the floor. Example, rubbing your hands together creates friction, which makes your hands feel warm. Try it, friction. Look at the beautiful green trees. They stay alive through a process called photosynthesis. This is a long word, Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the way green plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create food and release oxygen for us. Example, without sunlight, plants cannot perform photosynthesis and they will not grow. Say it slowly, photosynthesis. Have you ever seen a straw look bent in water? That is refraction, Refraction. It's an optical trick of science. Refraction happens when light moves from one material to another, like from air to water, and changes direction or bends. Example, a rainbow is a beautiful example of the refraction of sunlight through raindrops. Repeat, refraction. When a bus stops and you lean forward, you are experiencing inertia, Inertia. This is a law of motion. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist changes in its state of motion. If you are moving, your body wants to keep moving. Example, because of inertia, the soccer ball will stay on the grass until someone kicks it. Practice, inertia. How do our lights turn on? Through electricity, Electricity. We use this scientific energy every single day. Electricity is a form of energy resulting from the existence of charged particles. We use it to power our homes and phones. Example, your phone needs electricity to charge. Be careful with power outlets. Repeat after me, electricity. Some materials let electricity pass through easily. These are called conductors, Conductors. Metals are great examples. A conductor is a material that allows heat or electricity to move through it easily. Most metals are very good conductors. Example, the metal pot is a good conductor, so it heats up your food very fast. Practice the word conductor. The opposite of a conductor is an insulator, spelled Insulator. These protect us from heat and electricity. An insulator is a material that does not allow heat or electricity to pass through easily. Rubber and wood are excellent insulators. Example, you use an oven mitt because it is an insulator. It keeps your hands safe from the heat. Say it, insulator. Have you ever left an apple out and it turned brown? That is oxidation, Oxidation. It's a chemical reaction with air. Oxidation is a process where a substance changes because it is exposed to oxygen. It causes fruit to brown and metal to rust. Example, the rust on the old fence is the result of many years of oxidation. Practice the pronunciation, oxidation. Wow. We have learned so many scientific words that we use in our daily lives. Let's do a quick review to remember them. First, we saw evaporation, water turning into gas, and condensation, gas turning back into water. Then we learned about gravity, which pulls us down, and friction, which helps us stop and stay warm. We looked at how plants eat via photosynthesis and how light bends through water, which is refraction. And finally, we learned about energy moving through conductors and being blocked by insulators. Excellent work. Learning science in English helps you understand the world more deeply. Keep practicing these words in your daily life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Extra English TV for more. I am Shayu, your instructor. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.